Xiaomi 14 Ultra Limited Edition Gift Box Set. A closer look. Xiaomi has unveiled an exclusive offering for enthusiasts with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra Limited Edition Gift Box Set. Created in collaboration with Xiaomi Studio, this special set includes a curated selection of accessories designed to complement the flagship smartphone. Let's delve into what this exciting gift box set has to offer. 1. Xiaomi 14 Ultra Professional Photography Grip. Bullet. The gift box set includes a Xiaomi 14 Ultra Professional Photography Grip, enhancing the photography experience for users. Bullet. This grip is designed to provide a comfortable and stable grip for photography sessions, ensuring steady shots and ease of use. 2. Woven textured protective leather case. Bullet. Accompanying the smartphone is a protective leather case with a woven texture design. Bullet. This case not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides essential protection against scratches and minor impacts. 3. Xiaomi 80W Lifting Air-Cooled Wireless Charger. Bullet. The highlight of the gift box set is the Xiaomi 80W Lifting Air-Cooled Wireless Charger, a highly anticipated accessory. Bullet. This advanced wireless charger features adaptive lifting charging with dual coils, offering rapid charging for Xiaomi smartphones and other compatible devices. Bullet. It is capable of providing a full charge to the Xiaomi 14 Ultra in just 49 minutes, ensuring uninterrupted usage throughout the day. Bullet. Additionally, this charger functions as a portable battery bank, automatically charging the phone when its battery falls below 80%. Xiaomi 14 Ultra. A power-packed flagship. Bullet. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra itself is a powerhouse, equipped with a high-performance camera system designed for photography enthusiasts. Bullet. It features a 32MP front sensor for stunning selfies and video calls. Bullet. The rear camera setup includes Leica's new Summilux All-Star 4-camera system, headlined by a 50MP Sony LYT900 main camera with optical image stabilization (OIS). Bullet. With this camera setup, users can expect exceptional image quality, versatility, and the ability to capture memorable moments with clarity. Pricing and availability. Bullet. While the official price for this limited edition gift box set has yet to be revealed, each component promises to enhance the overall user experience of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Bullet. This comprehensive array of accessories showcases Xiaomi's commitment to innovation and catering to the diverse needs of smartphone users. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra Limited Edition gift box set offers a complete package of accessories, from a professional photography grip to a cutting-edge wireless charger, all designed to complement the exceptional capabilities of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra flagship smartphone.